Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain a bit on why I mentioned that you need to create different layer height in your design. Okay, look at this design. You can see these rings have one is the lowest height. Okay, let's check 1.8, and then let's look at this one. This one, the height is 2.0. Actually, you can make it a little bit higher. Okay, you can make this the square shapes square shape a little bit higher by selecting all this together, but actually we supposed to group all these so that we can adjust the height together. Okay, now the intention is to show you that I have three different levels of heights. One is the circle. Second is the square. Then third is my name. Okay, my name is 5. Okay, is the highest. Actually, we can put it slightly lower. Doesn't matter. This is our design, and you can see my name always start from the bottom, touching the work plane. Okay, this place we call it work plane. Okay, the advantage of starting from work plane is when I print it out, the printer do not need to create any support, because as I told you before, any flying hanging objects cannot be printed without a support. Okay, that is very important, and it has to be interconnected together. So you can see my name is interconnected through this bar. Okay, this single bar. Uh, okay, of course F and G actually have more support, but O and N only have single support. But if you look at it, it also have the support from this circle, so it should be fine. But I would recommend to have if you want to have a stronger support, try to add one more bar or add something in here. Okay, you can add something in here to support the O and N. Okay, if not, it can break easily. Okay, now what I need to show you is how our color 3D printer works. This is the software, Bamboo Studio. So I have imported this object. It's very simple. You just drag the object in, and then when you select this object, okay, we need to synchronize the printer first. So in this case, for example, I have two printers. This is a printer with this filament. This is the second printer. So I want to sync with the first one. So what I do is I select the printer, then I come back here, sync, continue to sync, overwriting of sync now, and you can see the color in here change according to the filament I set in the 3D printer. How to set? We have to use the app, Bamboo Studio, the app, to change the color. But other thing, we can simply edit from here the type of filament. We can customize. I always customize the temperature in here. So if it's a silk type, the temperature is around 200. For the rest, I set about 210. And for the transparent, sometimes I'll just put it as it really depends. So some of them print well in 200 degrees Celsius, some of them print well in 205. So you have to test. We have to test and see what is the best temperature for different filament. Even though it's different, it's the same brand, it might be slightly different. Sometimes it's a bit different. Okay, how to color? So I did told you in the class that I'm using layer by layer. So I choose color. You can see I have four colors to choose from. By default, the first color will fill up the entire object, then followed by the second. So I choose here got different type of filling. Okay, you can fill the whole object. You can get fill triangle. You can even paint directly, but I prefer to use by layer. This by layer, and I choose is 1 mm height. Every time I select is 1 mm height. So you see what I do now. I select this color. This is bone white. So I click here. Now I just color the whole thing. Okay. So now the whole thing is bone white. But let's look at. I want to change color. I want this section onward. to be in yellow. Okay, you can see from this layer onward is yellow. Then I want my name to be in orange. Okay, then if I want to add one more, which is this color, usually what I can do, this is a special color, this is a gold color. So in this case, maybe okay, look at this bar. Um, if I want the inside inner bar to become gold, then I'll just change this. So the inner bar will be gold color. Okay, inner bar gold color, yellow color. Why is it gray? I said gold because there's no gold option in the printer. It only have this silver, so I have to put silver as gold. But no problem. As long as it prints. Okay, so now we can see we have four colors in total. The printer will start with this color. This is bone white. After that, the gold, then yellow, followed by this orange color. As I say, this is gold, but there's no gold color in the option. So I have to change to gray. So when I print it out later, it will look, we will have four colors in different layers. This is the fastest way to print out one design, but how fast? Okay, let us have a look. If I slice it, okay, it still take 40 minutes to print. Okay, including the changing of filament. You can see here they have to change the filament for 6 times. Yeah. Uh, so cost is anyway this is an estimated cost. 20, uh, 22 US dollar, probably about 1 ringgit plus. That is the estimated. So I can actually configure it if I enter the proper value. Okay, so you can see how the color setting works. That is why I keep on mentioning that in the class that you need to create different layer heights if you want to have different color. If I choose, let's for example, if I choose F1 color, O1 color, N1 color, and G1 color, it will take few hours to print. So this is not a very good idea um, for our current type of printer. Okay, there's a new type of printer, as I told you, instead of changing the filament, they change the print head. So all the filament connected to four different print heads, and then the printer fetch the print head to print. That will be faster, a lot faster. And I checked the price is only about is less than 1,000 US dollar at this moment. But anyway, new technology do not. I always don't buy new technology first. Wait for version 2 when they fix all their problems. Okay, usually they come with problems. Okay, that is the extra section for today. We will do what I have created previously. You follow my step, okay, slowly, step by step during your CCA lesson. Okay, that's all.